Good evening, students. Okay, so today we will cover two topics from number system. Online students, am I audible? First topic is number of zero. In a multiplication, how number of zero in the last? मतलब last में कितनी zeros होंगी? Like for example, it is 5 into 4 into 25. Just for example. Okay. Here we can multiply because it is a small multiplication. But big multiplication we can. पीछे की लाइट जला देना वो वाली दो. Big multiplication we cannot do. Okay. Here it is 100 into 5, 500. So question is how many zero are there in the last? So there are 2 0. So our answer here is 2 0. But point is there will be big calculation where we cannot calculate. Without calculating only we have to check how many zero will be there in the last. So we have two type of question here. Type 1 question. Here it is like 10 into 15 into 20 into 25 into 30 into 35 into 40 into 45 into 50. Okay. So they ask like how many zero are there in the last. एक और ऐड कर लेता हूँ 5 like for example. If we multiply it, because multiplication is going to be time consuming, we can't multiply. Without multiplying it, we have to see how many zero are there in the last. Okay. I tell you one example. One from like just for basic concept to understand this topic, we take one example from Haryana and we take one example from Russia so that you can understand. See here, in Haryana we have low sex ratio. For example, see there are 10 boys. Oh, like have you heard about like सामूहिक विवाह? ठीक है, सामूहिक विवाह doesn't means कि एक की कईयों से शादी होती है. There are like multiple marriages at the same like venue, at same venue. So for example, there are 10 boys and 6 girls. If there are 10 boys and 6 girls, so how many couple or how many like wedding we can make? 6. Because every girl will get a boy here. Number of boys are extra. So who will decide for couple? Lesser number. If girls are less, so girls will decide. So here we have 6 girls. So here 6 girls, each and every girl will get a boy. So there will be 6 couple. Whereas here we have reverse. Like for example, there are 6 boys and 10 girls. And many people, they go to Russia for MBBS. Later on I realized what is the reason behind that. मेरा एक friend गया था वहाँ MBBS का, वहीं रह गया. So like here 6 boys, 10 girls. So who will decide for couple? Boys. Every boys will get a corresponding girl, or like every boys will get a girl to make couple here. So here will be 6 couple. The boy will decide. Lesser number will decide. 0 means 10. Like it is 100. There are 2 0. What is this 100? Actually 10 into 10. It means there are two 10. 500. What is 500? 5 into 10 into 10. So it means there are two 10 in multiplication we have. That's why we have 2 0 in the last. How we get a 10? 10 बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए होगा? 5 and 2. 1 5 combined with 1 2 give 1 0. 2 5 combined with 2 2 give you 2 0. 5 5 join with 5 2 give you 5 0 in the last. So you have to make it 10. 10 is 5 into 2. 5 joined with 2 give a 0. Okay. So here, like this example, like rush. And what we consider how many 2s are there, how many 5s are there. Let me solve 2-3 example, you will understand. Okay. 2s like boys and 5s like girls. So in this multiplication, we have to see how many 5s are there. इसमें 5 कहाँ है वो ढूंढने पहले. Okay. So one by one. Here we have 1 5. In this 10 also there is 1 5 because it is 2 into 5. You have to break it. 15 mein there is a 5 because you can break it 3 into 5. 20 is 4 into 5. There is 1 5. In 25 there are 2 5. 5 into 5 give you 25. इसके अंदर 2 5 छुपे हुए हैं. 5 into 5. 30 there is 1 5. 35 there is 1 5. What is 40? 8 into 5. So there is 1 5. What is 45? 9 into 5. 50 को break करोगे by school method. You take 2 common. 25 5 5. तो in 50 how many 5s are there? 2. तो यहाँ पे 2 5 छुपे हुए हैं. So you have to break it. You have to see how many 5s are there. Otherwise, some student, what they do, they just check there is 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, and they get wrong answer. Because here we will not have total 5 0, we will have more. So what is important? Step number 1, just check how many 5s are there. You can see in 5 there is 1 5, in 10 there is 1 5, in 15 there is 1 5, in 20 there is 1 5, 25 there are 2 5, 5 into 5. 30 there is 1 5, 35, 40, 45, 50 में 2 5. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many 5s are there? 12. Then we have to check how many 2s are there. So can you see in this 5 there is 2? No. 10 में कोई 2 है? Yes. So there is 1 2. What is 20? If you break 20, you take 2 common 10, you take 2 common 5. How many 2s are there in 20? 2. Because it is 4 into 5. If you break 20 is 4 into 5. 4 means 2 into 2. So there are 2 2. 30. What is 30? 6 into 5. 6 make 2 hai. So there is 1 2. What is 40? 40 is 8 into 5. So if you check 2 common 20, 2 common 10, 2 common 5, 40 के अंदर 3 2 छुपे हुए हैं. 1 2 3 because it is 8 into 5. 50 is 2 into 25. So there is 1 2. So you check in total how many 2s are there in this multiplication. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if you check total how many 5s are there? 12. How many 2s are there? 8. These are boy, these are girl. We are looking for couple. See here, lesser number will decide. Every 2 get a corresponding 5. हर 2 को एक 5 मिल जाएगा. Number of 5 are extra, but the concept here is lesser number will decide. This 2 and this 5 will give you 110, give you 1 0. This 2 and this 5 give you one more 0. This 2 and this 5 give you one more 0. This 2 and this 5 give you one more 0. This 2 and this 5 give you 1 0. This 2 and this 5 give you 1 0. This 2 and this 5 give you 1 0. This 2 and this 5 give you 1 0. We have this 5 extra. We can't do anything. So how many total 0 will be there in this multiplication in last? 8. Lesser number will decide. If number of 2s are less, 2 will decide. If number of 5s are less, 5 will decide. So lesser number decide for number of G. Let me take one more example. Like for example, 25 into 30 into 35 into 40 into 45 into 50 into 55 into 60 into 65. So it is asked, if we multiply it in that final value, how many zero will be there in the last? जो multiplication होगा उसमें zeros कितनी होगी? If you see directly, that will be wrong answer. जो दिख रही हैं 1 2 3 4, we have more than 4. Because I give you example 4 into 25. Here you can't see any zero. In 4 there is no zero, 25 there is no zero, but when we multiply there are 2 zero. Why? Because 4 is 2 into 2, 25 is 5 into 5. These two combined with 5 give you a 0. These two combined with 5 give a 0. That's why there are 2 zero. Every 2 join with 5 give a 0. So what we have to do, step number 1, we will see how many 5s are there. तो इसमें 5s निकालने हैं. 25 is 5 into 5. In 30 there is 1 5. In 35 there is 1 5. In 40 there is 1 5. 45 there is 1 5. 50 there are 2 5, because 50 is 2 into 25. 55 there is 1 5. 60 there is 1 5. 65 there is 1 5. So here in total you can see how many 5s are there. इसके अंदर कितने 5 छुपे हुए हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So number of 5s here we have 11. इससे समझ लो लास्ट क्वेश्चन गया, अब वही क्वेश्चन है, न्यू क्वेश्चन. Now here we check how many 2s are there. So first we will see in 30. 30 is 6 into 5, 2 into 3, so there is 1 2. In 48, 8 means there are 3 2. 1 2 3. 50 is 2 into 25, there is 1 2. 60 is 4 into 15. If you break 60 में 4 है तो 2 है. There are 2 2s. If you are not comfortable, then what you can do, 60, take 2 common 30, take 2 common 15, 3 and 5. 60 के अंदर एक 5 है, 2 है. There are 2 2s we have. If you break it. So you see in total how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 2s are there? 7. Number of 5, 11. So what will decide for number of 0? 2. Because 2 are less. Lesser number decide. Because every 2 get a corresponding 5. So how many 0 will be there in the last? Your answer is 7. Now you try one question. 65 into 70 into 75 into 80 into 85 into 90 into 95. Go slow, don't be in hurry. Your task is to find how many 5s are there, how many 2s are there. Lesser number decide for number of 0, and that will be your answer. Done? Those who are done, what is your answer? 65, there is one 5. 70, there is one 5. I can give an idea. If it is a multiple of 5, 1 5. If it is a multiple of 25, 2 5. If it is a multiple of 125, 3 5. 5 में एक 5 है, 25 में दो 5 है, 125 is 5 cube. So 75 is a multiple of 25. So that's why there are two 5. 80, there is one 5. 85, there is one 5. 90, there is one 5. 95, there is one 5. How many total number of 5s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of 5s we have 8. Then we see number of 2. 65 is not even number. 70 is 2 into 35, so there is 1 2. 80, 16 into 5. And what is 16? 2 is to power 4. If you check 80, यहाँ पे 4 2 है. 2 2 2 2. 90 is 2 into 45, so there is 1 2. So how many 2s are there? 6. Lesser number decide for number of 0. How many 0 will be there here? 6. So your answer here is 6. This is one type of question. तुम बर्थडे ही बनाना बस. 3 कॉमन लेके क्या आएगा? 25. 25 के बाद क्या आएगा? 5 and 5. Factorization. But you have to be fast. Slowly and gradually. You can't check each and every number. जैसे 80 है, तो 80 में you take 2 common 40, you take 2 common 20, you take 2 common 10, you take 2 common 5. थोड़ा सा फास्ट चलेंगे ना. 16 into 5. Break and you can easily check. 16 मतलब 2 how many times? 4 times. 32 means 2 5 times. If any value is a multiple of 2, 1 2. Any value multiple of 4, 2 2. कोई वैल्यू 8 का मल्टीपल है उसमें 3 2 मिलेंगे. 16 का मल्टीपल है उसमें 4 2 मिलेंगे. कोई 32 का मल्टीपल है जैसे 160 है. If you check 160, तो 160 is actually 32 into 5. तो if you break it, you will get 5 2s. इसके अंदर 5 2s मिलेंगे. Is this clear now? Any doubt in this type of question? This is type 1. We have to see 5s, we have to see 2s. Now next is important. Type 2 is important. Type 2 question here is, you write a question, how many 0 are there in last, in and, in 100 factorial. मतलब when you take 100 factorial, उसमें last में कितनी 0 आएंगी? How many 0 are there in and or at last, at end, in 100 factorial? If you see the long method, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Then you have to check how many 5s are there, how many 2s are there. It is time consuming. It is time consuming. We have a shortcut. For factorial, we have shortcut. But the concept here is, we are looking for how many 2s are there and how many 5s are there. Finally, यही तो निकालना है कि कितने 2 हैं, कितने 5 हैं. And lesser number will decide. I tell you shortcut in 100 factorial. If you want to check how many 2s are there, and let me take 2-3 examples so that you can understand what is the shortcut here. This 100 we divide by 2 and we take quotient 50. Again, this quotient we divide by 2, we get 25. And you have to repeat. This 25 you have to divide by 2, you get 12 point something, take 12. 12. Quotient 12 आएगा, remainder को ignore करना. This 12 divided by 2, you get 6. 6 divided by 2, you get 3. Then again this 3 divided by 2, you get 1. You have to take quotient all the time till your quotient is 0. 1 divided by 2, quotient is 0, then you have to stop. Every time you have to divide quotient by 2 and you have to add this value. So 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 12, 87. 87 plus 6, 93. 96, 97. So in 100 factorial, how many 2's are there? 97. No need to check manually. We have a shortcut. Before I take this question, let us practice this only. How we can find number of 2's with our shortcut. Like, if it is asked in 40 factorial, how many 2's are there? 40 factorial में 2 कितनी बार multiply है और how many 2's are there? So what is our shortcut? 40 we divide by 2, we get 20. Then again we divide 20 by 2, we get 10. 10 divided by 2, we get 5. 5 divided by 2, we get 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. So 20 plus 10, 30, 35, 37, 38. So in 40 factorial, how many 2's are there? 38. I take one more question. If it is asked in 60 factorial, how many 2's are there? If you have to check 2, we divide by 2. 60 divided by 2, we get 30. 30 divided by 2, we get 15. 15 divided by 2, tell me what is the quotient? 7. 7 divided by 2, what we get? 3. 3 divided by 2, we get 1. 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 7, 52. 52 plus 4, 56. So in 60 factorial, how many 2's are there? 56. Try. In 80 factorial, you check how many 2's are there. 80 factorial में number of 2's कितने होंगे? आ गया तुम्हारा फ्रेंड? $78. 80 divided by 2, 40. 40 divided by 2, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 40 plus 20, 60, 70, 75, 77, 78. So how many 2's are there? 78. Try. In 200 factorial, how many 2's are there? In 200 factorial, how many 2's are there? क्या आ रहा है? हाँ कर सकते हैं, बट हर जगह नहीं काम करता, यहां कर जाएगा. 97 में 100 ऐड कर दो, 197. यस. 200 डिवाइडेड बाय 200. 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 50. 50 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 25. 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 12. 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1. You add 150, 175, 187, 193, 196, 197. So in 200 factorial, how many 2's are there? 197. So now come to the question. Question is, in 100 factorial, how many zeros are there? You have to find how many 2's and you have to find how many 5's. Same concept, if you have to find how many 5's are there, what we have to do? 100 we have to divide by 5. If you have to check how many 2's, you have to keep on dividing by 2. If you have to check how many 5's are there, you keep on dividing by 5. 100 divided by 5, 20. 20 divided by 5, 4. 4 divided by 5, quotient 0. So here how many 5s are there? 24. So here how many 2s are there? 97. How many 5s are there? 24. Tell me, lesser number will decide. So how many 0 will be there in the last in 100 factorial? 24. So your answer is 24. Let me take 1 or 2 extra question, then I tell you how you can handle the same thing in half time. आधे टाइम में कैसे मैनेज करना है वो भी बता दूंगा. Like next question is, in 80 factorial, how many 0 are there in the last? So our concept is we have to check how many 2s are there, how many 5s are there. How many 2s? 80 divided by 2, 40. 40 divided by 2, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So what you get? 60, 70, 78. How many 2s are there? 78. In 80 factorial, we will check how many 5s are there. 80 you have to divide by 5. 16. 16 divided by 5, you get 3. 19. How many 5s are there? 19. Lesser number decide number of 0. Tell me in 80 factorial, how many 0 are there? 19. Take your time. Just check in 60 factorial, how many 0 are there at the last. 60 factorial. Okay, so what you can do, some student, what they are doing, you are finding how many 2s are there. 60 divided by 2, 30. I tell you it is waste of time because number of 2 has to be more. क्योंकि 30 तो यहीं आ गए, फिर 15, फिर 15 divided by 2, 7, 7 divided by 2, 3, 3 divided by 2, 1. If you check number of 5s, it is 12. 12 divided by 5, 2. नंबर ऑफ 5 कोहिनूर है, कम है, मतलब कोहिनूर तो चलो एक ही है, मतलब इट्स लाइक डायमंड. ठीक है, ये कम मिलेंगे. सही वाले, वो सूरत वाले नहीं. सूरत वाले कांच बेच देते हैं. सो नंबर ऑफ 5 हेयर 14. नंबर ऑफ 2 हेयर 30 तो यही है, 30 तो यू हैव हेयर ओनली. नंबर ऑफ 2s आर मोर. Lesser number decide. So here how many 0 there in the last? 40. Your answer is 40. एक note लिखो, I will explain. To find number of 0, no need to check how many 2s are there in factorial. लिख लो. To find number of 0 in factorial, no need to find number of 2s. Because answer is decided by number of 5s only. Because answer is decided by number of 5s only. Why? Because number of 5s are lesser as compared to number of 2s. So don't waste your time to check number of 2s. Number of 2s has to be more. I explain why. 1 factorial is 1. 2 is like boy. 5 is like girl. And you are roaming in one village in Haryana. 2 factorial. गांव में जाने से पहले एक लड़का दिख जाएगा. ठीक है. Then 3 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3, that is the same boy. आपकी गाड़ी के चारों तरफ घूम रहा है. 4 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Same boy and there are 2 boy extra. उन्होंने आपस में कपल बना रखा है. 5 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. अब जाके एक लड़की दिखेगी. Number of 2s getting repeated more frequently. 2 तो 2 पे भी आएगा, 4 पे भी आएगा. 5 you will get at 5, then next 5 you will get at 10 factorial. 5 is going to repeat lesser time as compared to number of 2's in factorial. Factorial में number of 2 are more as compared to number of 5, and our concept is lesser number decide, so your deciding factor is number of 5's only. So it is very simple, within 5-10 seconds we can find the answer. Like if question is in 40 factorial, how many 0 will be there in the last? Number of 2's, number of 5's. But concept is number of 2's will be more, only number of 5 going to decide your answer. So 40 divided by 5, 8, 8 divided by 5, 1, 9. So your answer is 9. क्योंकि इसमें 2 भर भर के हैं, 40 में तो 20 तो वैसे ही दिख रहे हैं. Number of 2's are more as compared to number of 5's. So in factorial, number of 0 are decided by number of 5's, not by number of 2. Because number of 2 are getting repeated more frequently as compared to number of 5, and lesser number decides the answer. So you save your time, you check only number of 5. Take your time, tell me in 500 factorial, how many 0 are there in the last? Okay, you check number of 2, 250 तो वैसे आ रहा है. Check number of 5's only. 500 divided by 500, 100 divided by 520, 20 divided by 5 4, it is 124. So our answer here is 124. Is this clear? जिसको नहीं समझ में आया, you can find number of 2's also. I will not stop. Okay, number of 2's भी निकाल लो. You understood? How many number of 2's are there? 250. Then 250 divided by 2, 125. Then 125 divided by 2, it is going to be more. Number of 5 or less. 124 or it is more than 400, 500. 500 तो नहीं होएगा क्योंकि totally 500 है. It will be 490 something. Fine. One more question. Find how many 0 are there in the last in 600 factorial. 600 factorial के लास्ट में कितनी 0 है? समझ आना है? नहीं तो मेरे पास दूसरा तरीका भी है ना. अगर ये भी नहीं समझ में आएगा, फिर मैं आपको पता क्या कहूंगा कि फिर आप एट योर होम यू हैव टू डू 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. फिर इसमें नंबर ऑफ 2 निकालने, नंबर ऑफ 5 निकालने. बेटर है शॉर्टकट समझ लो, क्योंकि लॉन्ग कट भयानक है. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 140. 600 divided by 5 we get 120. 120 divided by 5 we get 24. 24 divided by 5 we get 4. So your answer is 148. 148. Fine. This is type 2. Over this type 2, I take one miscellaneous question. I think some of you can manage. Otherwise, I will help you out. 201 into 202 into 203 into 204 into 205 up to 500. We don't have complete factorial value. We have 201 to 500. Apply your mind. Just check how many 0 will be there in the last in this multiplication. टाइप 3 बोल लो, यू कैन से टाइप 3. ओके, डोंट थिंक यू कैन चेक मैनुअली हाउ मेनी 5 हाउ मेनी 2. बेटर लीव द क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि यहाँ 5 और 2 निकालने में इट इज मोर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, what is 500 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3, 200 into 201 into 202. See here, it is 500. What is missing? 1 to 200 is missing. So what you see here, in 500 factorial, how many 0 are there? We have done 124. And in 200 factorial, how many 0 are there? 49. So it means this 49 0 are missing. It would be 500 factorial if we have a complete 1 into 2 into 3. So it is like same like हमने rule of counting principle में we have done similar type of question. So you write solution for this question will be number of 0 in 500 factorial minus, it would be this many 0, but because of these zeros are missing, so we minus it. Minus number of 0 in 200 factorial. Because it is not a complete 500 factorial. 500 factorial में 200 factorial missing है, मतलब 1 से लेके 200 multiple missing है. तो in 500 factorial how many 0 are there? 500 divided by 500, 100 divided by 520, 20 divided by 4, 124 minus 200 divided by 540, 40 divided by 5 8, 8 divided by 5 149. So your answer is 124 minus 49. What is 124 minus 49? 75. So this type of question is, you have to see how many 0 are there in 500 factorial minus what is missing. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 up to 200 is missing. So we have to see number of 0 in 500 factorial minus number of 0 which we can get in 200 factorial, जो हमें 200 factorial में मिलनी चाहिए. Now here, next question, which has been asked in UPSC previous year. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 is equal to 3 is to power m into n. They have given this. Find the maximum value of m. Maximum value of m. It means they are asking how many 3's are there. There are two methods, manually because it is a small calculation, and our shortcut. I tell you how many m's are there. What is the maximum value of m means how many 3's are there. First method, we write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So we will check how many 3's are there. 1 is here, 6 के अंदर एक छुपा हुआ है, 9 के अंदर 2 छुपे हुए हैं, 3 into 3. In 12 there is 1 3, in 15 there is 1 3. So how many 3's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So your answer is 6. What is the maximum value of m? 6. So m की value maximum क्या हो सकती है? 6. How many 3's are there? And what is this 15 factorial? What is our shortcut in 15 factorial? How many 3's are there? For that you have to divide it by 3. 15 divided by 3 we get 5. 5 divided by 3 you get 1. So your answer is 6. जैसे हमने 2 चेक किए, 5 चेक किए, ऐसे you can check 3 also. See, the concept is in 15 factorial how many 3's are there? 3 के पावर है मतलब 3 कितनी बार रिपीट है. तो how to check how many 3's are there? Our shortcut is this number you have to divide by this, जो निकालना है 5. This quotient again you have to divide by 3 1. So what is your answer? 6. How many 3's are there in 15 factorial? Answer is 6. Wait, let me take some extra question. Next time examiner can ask 100 factorial is equal to 3 is to power m into n. Will ask you to find maximum value of m. Means how many 3's are there in 100 factorial. You can't check manually because it is time consuming. So we have a shortcut. 100 you have to divide by 3. So it is 33. Then this 33 you have to divide by 3. 11. This 11 you have to divide by 3. 3. 3 divided by 3 you have 1. 33 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 4, 48. So how many 3's are there? 48 is your answer. Done? Now you try one question. 80 factorial is equal to 3 is to power m into n. Find what is the maximum value of m is possible. $80 divided by 3, what is your quotient? 26. 26 divided by 3, 8. 8 divided by 3, 2. So 26 plus 10, 36. How many 3's are there in 80 factorial? 36. Done? This is applicable for all prime number. You can check how many 2's are there. You can check how many 3's are there. You can check how many 5's are there. You can check how many 7's are there. You can check how many 11's are there. So this shortcut is applicable for prime number. Directly we can find. Like here, if examiner asks 100 factorial is 7 is to power m into n. What is the maximum value of m is there? How many 7's are there? So we can say 100 divided by 7, 14. 14 divided by 7, 2. So 14 plus 2, 16. How many 7's are there in 100 factorial? So if you have to check how many 7's, you have to divide by 7. If you have to check how many 2's are there, you have to divide by 2. If you have to check how many 3's are there, you have to divide by 3. If you have to check how many 5's are there, you have to divide by 5. Like I ask you one more question. Don't ask me what is the value of n. Because in previous batches, some students they ask what is the value of n. You have to leave the question अगर n पूछ ले, वैसे तो पूछेगा नहीं exam में. Because it is difficult to find what is n. This is not the concept. Concept सिर्फ m के लिए work करता है. I don't have any concept for m. Examiner will never ask you n. Only the student they ask this question. ठीक है? Because of curiosity. Try this question. 100 factorial is equal to 11 is to power m into n. Find what is the maximum value of m is there. You have to divide this 100 by 11. What do you get? 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. Quotient 0 आएगा. So your answer is 9 only. Clear? हाँ, what if they ask composite number? But ये तो clear है ना? चलो एक क्वेश्चन और बताओ. 200 factorial is equal to 11 is to power m into n. पहले इसका सही आंसर दो, फिर आगे पढ़ाऊंगा. क्या आ रहा है? 200 we have to divide by 11. 11 1 जा 11. फिर क्या आ गया? 908. फिर in 18 we will see how many 11 are there, 1. So your answer is 90. So your answer here is 90. Is it clear to all of you, category 1 student, online students? You can name it as type 4. इसको बोलना है तो type 4 बोलो. This type of question are type 4. The moment I told like you can check prime number, तभी कुछ स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में आएगा कंपोजिट नंबर कैसे चेक करेंगे. UPSC CSAT is this level. Based on previous year questions, I can say this is the level what they have asked. If you want me to go beyond this, yes, I will go. Type 5. Let me solve 2 questions for you. We will check composite number. Prime number, this shortcut is directly applicable. सीधा आंसर आता है. Question here is 100 factorial is equal to 6 to power m into n. लिख लो. 100 factorial is equal to 6 to power m into n. What is the maximum value of m is possible? Means how many 6 are there. Don't check directly 6. Student, they do blunder. They do this 100 by 6, 16. 16 divided by 6, 2. They say answer 18. Wrong. You can't check composite number directly. Only the prime number we can check directly by using this method. This method is only and only workable for prime number, not for composite number. See here, then what you have to do, you have to break 6 as a multiple of prime number. What is 6? 2 into 3. Then you check how many 2s are there, how many 3s are there, and a combination of 2 and 3 give you 6. Couple बन गया ना 2 and 3 का, तो lesser number will decide. So in 100 factorial, you check how many 2s are there, how many 3s are there. जहां जहां 2 और 3 का मिलन हो गया, वहां सृष्टि का निर्माण हो जाएगा. ठीक है, वहीं 6 बनेगा ना. 2 और 3 मिलके 6 बनाएंगे सर, बस वही है. 100 में we will check how many 2s are there. 50, 50 divided by 2, 25, 25 divided by 2, 12, 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, 3 divided by 2, 1, 97. So in 100, how many 2s are there? 97. So in 100 factorial, we will check how many 3s are there. 100 divided by 3, 33. 33 divided by 3, 11. 11 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So which is 48. Which is lesser? Number of 3s are lesser. So lesser will decide. हर 3 को एक 2 मिल जाएगा. यहाँ पे कुछ 2 अकेले बेचारे बैचलर घूमेंगे, उसके लिए हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Every 3 will get a corresponding 2 because 3 are lesser. So here how many 6 will be there? 48. So what is the value of m? 48. ये शॉर्टकट तो प्राइम नंबर के लिए ही काम करता है, तो पहले तो उसको ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. You have to break it. Let me take one more question. Just wait. मैं थोड़ा स्लो चलता हूं, ठीक है. हाँ रुक जाओ, मेरे को पता है आप 4 पूछना चाह रहे होंगे या कुछ और नंबर पूछना चाह रहे होंगे. पहले ये कर लेते हैं. अभी कौन सी टाइप चल रही है? टाइप 5. क्वेश्चन इज 100 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 15 is to power m into n. 15 is to power m into n. What is the maximum value of m? Don't check 15 directly, because if you do 100 divided by 15, 6, you see 6, but 6 is wrong answer. You have to break 15. What is 15? 3 into 5. So you have to check how many 3s are there, how many 5s are there. है ना. 100 divided by 3, अभी चेक करके हटे हैं 48. 3 ज्यादा मिलेंगे, बड़ा नंबर कम मिलता है. बिगर नंबर रिपीट लेस फ्रीक्वेंटली. ऑब्वियसली 3 पहले आता है, 5 बाद में आता है. तो here 100 divided by 5, 20. 20 divided by 5, 4. How many times 5s we have? 24 times. How many times 3 have? 48 times. So lesser number decide. कुछ तो मैं भी यूज कर सकता हूँ ना पिछले क्वेश्चन का, तुम ही अकेले थोड़ी ना यूज करोगे। लास्ट क्वेश्चन में कैलकुलेशन करा है ना, हाउ मेनी थ्रीज आर देयर 48, डायरेक्टली लिख दिया बस मैंने। हाउ मेनी फाइव्स आर देयर 24, lesser number decide, so what is your answer? Value of m here is 24. How many 15s are there? 24, not 6. Don't check directly 15, you have to check threes, you have to check how many fives, because this combination give 15. Every 5 get a corresponding 3, decide the answer. Tell me type 5 any doubt? हाँ जी, वही तो, यही तो था। वो 10 एक्चुअली टाइप 1 नहीं है, टाइप 5 ही है। 10 इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर। हमने करा क्या एक्चुअली, 100 फैक्टोरियल इज टू 10 इज टू पावर m into n. We have to check how many 0 means how many 10s are there. You can check directly, so you have to break it 2 and 5. You check how many 2s are there, how many 5s are there, and number of 5 give answer. यही तो कंसेप्ट है उसके पीछे। हाँ जी, हाँ बिल्कुल, बिगर नंबर इज डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर। यस, 15 में 5 डिसाइड करेगा। पॉइंट इज हियर 5 इज डिसाइडिंग, इन केस ऑफ 6 3 विल बी द डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर, बिगर नंबर इज द डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर इन ए कंपोजिट नंबर। इतना समझ में आया? देखो टाइप 5 तक समझ में आएगा तब मैं टाइप 6 पे जाऊंगा। पता चला टाइप 5 समझ में नहीं आया, आप टाइप 6 पूछ रहे हो मेरे से। ऑल ऑफ यू क्लियर? क्लियर? चलो एक आंसर निकालो। 100 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 21 इज टू पावर m इंटू n। कोई और नहीं पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, बाकी वो अपना अपना आंसर निकालो। पहले इसका आंसर बताओ। Just check what is the maximum value of m is there, how many 21s are there? सही तो है, 3 into 7। मैं जीनियस हूं, जीनियस। 16 ही आंसर है, घबराओ मत। 3 and 7, we will check how many 3s, how many 7. 7 will decide, bigger number will decide. So 100 divided by 7 14, 14 divided by 7 2, answer 60. Next is type 6. नहीं, ये टाइप 5 थी, कंपोजिट नंबर टाइप 5 था वो। 21 14 21 10 6 वो सिमिलर क्वेश्चन है। टाइप 6 इज कंपोजिट नंबर एंड व्हेन नंबर इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर परफेक्ट क्यूब। टाइप 6 में कंपोजिट नंबर तो होगा बट वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर या परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर होगा, जैसे इन्होंने 4 बोला है। कंपोजिट नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर परफेक्ट क्यूब, ब्रैकेट में लिख लो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर परफेक्ट क्यूब। फोर 8, ठीक है, 25, मतलब कोई परफेक्ट स्क्वायर या परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर चेक करना। क्वेश्चन हियर इज, एंड लेट मी सॉल्व स्टेप बाय स्टेप, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। 100 फैक्टोरियल इज 4 is to power m into n. It is asked what is the maximum value of m, means how many 4s are there. Online student ready? Never do this mistake. You check directly 4, you say 25, 25 divided by 4 6, 6 divided by 4 1. It is wrong, because this method is never applicable for composite number. This method is applicable for only and only prime number. So you have to break 4 as a prime number thing. But what is for 2 square? So what we will do, we write this question as 100 factorial 2 is to power 2 m into n. You have to check how many 2s are there. You can't check how many 4. You have to check how many 2s are there. So here, for this case, we can't check 4. We have to take help of 2. We check how many 2s are there in 100 factorial. 100 divided by 2, 50. 50 divided by 2, 25. 25 divided by 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2 3, 3 divided by 2 1, total is 97. But answer is not 97, it is 2s. इसके 4 भी बनाने हैं. Step number 1 this, step number 2 this. Let me explain step number 3 by 2 method. Step number 3 is important. Step number 1 is okay, you know 4 is 2 square and you know how many 2s are there, okay. But how we will check how many is 4 from 2? 2 में से 4 कैसे निकलेंगे? This is 2 into 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 2. How many times? 97 times. How many 2s are there? 97. And what is 4? 2 into 2. Husband wife, मतलब couple बनाना पड़ेगा. We get 1 4, we get second 4, we get third 4 and so. ये 2 बेचारा बच जाएगा. We cannot help out. ठीक है, अपना ध्यान रखो, दूसरों के चक्कर में अकेले मत हो जाना. पता चला अपना पार्टनर इसको दे दिया तुमने. ठीक है, समाज सेवा खुद का घर भरने के बाद ही हेल्पफुल रहती है. ठीक है जी. So here, how many pairing we can make in 97? 48. Because 96 will help to make pairing, so there will be 48 pairing we can make. So how many 4 will be there? 48. So your answer here is 48 because this pairing is 4. This is 4. This is 4. So you have to look for pairing. How many pairing are there? 48 pairing. This is one method. नहीं समझ में आया? कोई इशू नहीं है. Can we say how many 2s are there? 97. We are looking for 2 is to power 2m into n. n हटा दो, 2m 97. You are getting how many 2s? 97. And we get 2 is to power 2m according to concept. We have to take maximum value of m. So what you have? 97 is equal to 2m. What is m? 97 divided by 2. 48.5. आधा किसी के काम का नहीं. ठीक है, 48. You take complete value. So what is the maximum value of m here is 48. Decimal से ऊपर वाली value you have to ignore it. If you are comfortable with this method, I'm happy. If you are comfortable with the pairing method, I'm happy. If you are not comfortable with both the method, then also I'm happy. Because I feel it is beyond CSAT level. ठीक है, फिर भी like okay. For conceptual clarity, I'm taking this question. Let me take one more question, step by step. Let me take one more question. My question here is 100 factorial is 9 is to power m into n. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite, which is a perfect square number. So step number 1, we write it as 100 factorial is 3 square m into n. So don't check 9, check 3. How many 3s are there? 33. 33 divided by 3, 11. 11 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So here it is 48. But this is not answer. 48 में तो exact pairing बन सकती है. How many exact pairing you have? 24. Pair ही तो निकालने हैं. Or you can say in this how many 3s are there? 48 is equal to 3 is to power 2m into n. n से कोई लेना देना नहीं. 2m is equal to 48. So you equate the power. So what is the maximum value of m? 48 divided by 2, 24. So how many 9s are there here? 24. 3 is 48. How many 3s are there? 48. So 3 into 3 give you 9. So you have to take pair. You have to take pair. Okay. Try this question. 100 factorial is equal to 25 is to power m into n. check what is the maximum value of m here. Take your time. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? सबका आ रहा है कि किसी किसी का 12 आ रहा है? हाँ जी, 12 आ गया ना? 100 फैक्टोरियल 5⁻²m। देखो सबके सामने बोला उसने 12 आ गया, मेरे को तसल्ली होगी, चाहे ना भी आया हो। So we have to solve for m. First you check how many 5s are there. 20 divided by 5, 4, 24. 24 is not answer, we are looking for pair. In 24 how many pair are there? 12. That is your answer. Or you can say in this how many 5s are there? 24. This is 5⁻²m into n. So you equate the power. 24 is equal to 2m. Maximum value of m here is 12. Fine. Next topic. 2-digit, 3-digit observation. ठीक है, we will observe 2-digit and 3-digit number. हाँ, next topic. Please dictate type 6. डिक्टेशन वाला मैथ में कब से रूल आया है? टॉपिक 2-digit and 3-digit observation. Observation of 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Observation of 2-digit number and 3-digit number. कहाँ गया भाई? ठंड लग रही है? हाँ? एक मिनट, मेरे को यहाँ टॉपिक नहीं मिल रहा है. Okay. Observation of 2-digit number, observation of 3-digit number. Like, I give you one example. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like starting few year they have not asked this question, but from 2017 onward they start asking question from this specific topic, and weightage we will say 1 question per year on 2-digit and 3-digit. जैसे 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा है, the ratio of a two-digit natural number to a number formed by reversing its digit is 4:7. The number of such pair is 5, 4, 3, 2. ठीक है? I give you one more question. Then I will teach the concept. Then we handle these two questions. एक तो क्वेश्चन ही हो गया, the ratio of the two-digit natural number to a number formed by reversing its digit is 4:7. The number of such pair is written. Next question is, let P be a two-digit number and Q be the number consisting of same digit written in reverse order. We have taken two digit, we reverse, that is Q. We reverse the digit. If P into Q is equal to 2430, then what is the difference between P and Q? What is the difference between P and Q? Answer options given: 45, 18, 27, 9. Okay. After around 20 minutes, we will handle this question. जिसने लिख लिया, जिसका रह गया, don't worry. After the concept, I will show you this question again. Okay. Now, concept of two-digit and three-digit number. We will observe two-digit and three-digit. Two digits start from 10, but I start from 11. I write a table from 11. थोड़ा sequence बन जाएगा. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and so on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and so on. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and so on. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 61, 62, 63, 64, and so on. What we have to observe in this table, you can write the complete at your home. मेरा इससे काम चल रहा है, तो I have written this. What you have to observe? We take a two-digit number, any number, like for example 21, and I ask you to reverse the order of the digit. If I say reverse the order of the digit, what we get? 12. Then we take difference. Original number minus new number. What is 21 minus 12? 9. And we have to observe this difference. Whether it is a random number or there is a pattern. We will get a pattern here. Are you getting the point? I tell you, we take two-digit number. I ask you to reverse the order of the digit and subtract from the original number. Okay. And we have to observe this table diagonally. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. Along this diagonal, you take any of these two-digit number. Any of these two-digit number. Like for example, you take 11. I ask you to reverse the order of the digit. What do you get? 11 only. And what is the difference? 0. Check 22. When you take 22 minus 22, 0, 33 minus 33, 0, 44 minus 44, 0. So you take any two-digit number along this diagonal and you reverse the order of the digit and subtract from the original number, your difference is coming 0. 55. If you reverse the order of the digit of 55, we get 55 only. And what is 55 minus 55? 0. Now next, you take this value on the right side, 21. If you reverse the order of the digit of 21, what do you get? 12. You get this value, 12. And what is the difference? 9. You take this 32. You reverse the order of 32. You get value on the left hand side, 23. And your difference is 9. You take 43 and you reverse, you get 34, difference 9. So here you take any value from this diagonal. If you reverse the order of the digit, subtract from the original number, your difference is coming 9. यहाँ पे कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो, 43, 54, 65, you take 65. You reverse the order of the digit of 65. What you get? 56. What is the difference? 9. Next, you take this 31. When you reverse the order of 31, what do you get? 13. And when you subtract it from the original number, what is your difference coming? 18. Here this is 42. When you reverse the digit of 42, what do you get? 24. And if you subtract from the original number, is your difference coming 18? Yes or no? Check 53. If you reverse 53, what do you get? 35. And what is 53 minus 35? 18. So you take any value along this diagonal and you reverse the order of the digit, you get value here and difference is coming 18. Then you take next 41. If you reverse the order of the digit of 41, what you get? 14. And what is your difference? 27. Check 52. What is 52 minus 25? 27. So here your difference is coming 27. You take 51. Okay. You reverse 51. You get 1 and 5. 1 पहले लिखना, 5 बाद में. Reverse the order मतलब इनको उल्टा लिखना है. And take the difference. It is coming 36. Similarly, check 62. If you reverse 62, you get 2 and 6. What is your difference? 36. So if you take any value here and you reverse the order, your difference is coming 36. So can you see the pattern? 9, 18, 25, 36. Here it will be 45. Check कर लो. 61 minus 16, you get 45. After that, next difference is 54. So idea here, you take any two-digit number and you reverse the order of the digit and subtract from the original number, your difference is always 0 or multiple of 9. No other possibility. लिख लो ये observation. हाँ, वही मैं सोच रहा हूँ. If we take any two-digit number, if we take any two-digit number and reverse the order of the digit, and subtract it from the original number, then the difference is always 0 or multiple of 9. how this concept can be used in the form of question? Like here, I ask you a question, how many number are there? If we reverse the order of the digit and subtract from the number, difference is coming 25. No possibility. Because difference has to be 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. It has to be 0 or multiple of 5. No other difference possible. Otherwise, student, what they do? They start checking manually. 10 minus 1, 11 minus 11, 12 minus this. Don't check manually because it is observation. It is concept. When we take any two-digit number and we reverse the order of the digit, subtract from the original number, difference या तो 0 आएगा या 9 का multiple आएगा. No other possibility. 25 not at all possible. Now next question. How many? या ऐसा लिख दो. If we take two-digit number and reverse the order of the digit and subtract it if we take two-digit number and reverse the order of the digit, ब्रैकेट में लिख लो, we get new two-digit number. रिवर्स करने के बाद भी two-digit number आना चाहिए. And subtract it from original number, and difference is 27. Difference is coming 27. Difference is coming 27. Now question is, how many such pairs of number are possible? How many such pairs of number are possible? Okay. Are you getting the question? We will take two-digit number, we reverse the order, subtract from the original number, difference coming 27. How many such pair of the number are possible? Step number 1, for this type of question, what you have to do, you take first value, 11. When you take 11 and you reverse the order, what is your difference? 0. 21, it give you a difference 9. 31, give you a difference 18. 41, give a difference 27. So the first number which will help you, 41. When you reverse the order, we get 14. 41 minus 14, we get 27. And we have observed, we have to go diagonally. So step number 1, our first number is 41, or pair is 41 and 14. Pair 41 and 14. So next number after 41, what you do? You increase both value, or you add 11, 52. Next number 63. Next number 74. Next number 85. Next number 96. You have to go diagonally. So the shortcut for diagonally is, first you find the first number which will help your question, 41. क्यों? 11 give a difference 0, 21 give a difference 9, 31 give a difference 18, 41 give a difference 27. So 41 is the first number. When we have to find next number, you have to add 11 because you have to go diagonally. So next number is 52, next number is 63, next number is 74, next number 85, next number 96. How many such number or such pair are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer is 6 pair. First pair is 41 and 14, second pair is 52 and 25, third pair is 63 and 36, then 74 and 47, 85 and 58, 96 and 60. Let me take one more question. Let P be a two-digit number and Q be the two-digit number consisting of same digits written in reverse order. यहाँ better language हो जाएगी. P is a two-digit number, Q is a two-digit number consisting of same digit but written in reverse order. Q is reverse P. P minus Q is equal to 45. P minus Q is equal to 45. Okay. How many different value of P are possible? So how many different value of P are possible? मतलब P की कौन सी value आएंगी? We have to find different value of P. P minus Q is equal to 45. मतलब P Q से बड़ा होना चाहिए. P has to be greater than Q. P and Q both are two-digit number. दोनों के दोनों two-digit number होने चाहिए. So what we have to do? Is this question clear? We take a two-digit number, we reverse the order, subtract from original number, difference is coming 45. How to handle this question? Step number 1, you take first value 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 60. 11 give a difference 0. We have observed difference is 0 or multiple of 9. It give a difference 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 61 is the first number which satisfy your question. So here we will say 61. Then you have to check diagonally. The shortcut for diagonally is keep on adding 11, 11. 72, 83, 90. So how many different value of P possible? 4. P 61 हो सकता है, P 72 हो सकता है, P 83 हो सकता है, P 94 हो सकता है. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट 3 नहीं है, 4 वैल्यू आपके सामने 61, 72, 83, 94. यू ट्राई वन क्वेश्चन. थोड़ी कूलिंग कम कर देना पीछे वाले दोनों ऐसे. Let P be a two-digit number and Q be the two-digit number consisting of same digit written in the reverse order. P minus Q is equal to 36. The difference of these two digits is 36. How many different value of P are possible? Question is, how many different value of P are possible? Don't think you need to check manually. Concept है इसके पीछे. 36 कहां से स्टार्ट होगा? डायगोनली. See, one thing is, are you able to observe differences 0, 9 or multiple of 9? Second thing, are you able to understand question? क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा है कि P है, Q उसका रिवर्स है, P माइनस Q 36 आना चाहिए और P की कितनी वैल्यू पॉसिबल है. How we can find? See, step number 1, you take first value 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61. Here difference 0, 9, 18, 27, 36. 51 is the first number which help you. You can check 51 minus 15. Then you have to check diagonally. How you get diagonally? 11, 11 add करते जाओ 51. Next number 62. Next number 73, 84, 95. How many different value of P are possible? 5. P की 5 वैल्यू पॉसिबल है. P can be 51, P can be 62, P can be 73, P can be 84, P can be 95. Is this clear? Second observation. Is this first observation clear? Difference is coming 0, 9, 18, 27, 0 or multiple of 9. Second observation here is, tell me any 2-digit number or your favorite 2-digit number. सर वो तो 69 में घुसेंगे, आप बताओ. 26. इतने खतरनाक लोग हैं, पिछले बैच में भी ऐसे ही था. आई आस्क 2-digit नंबर, मैंने बोला लड़कों का 2-digit फेवरेट होता नहीं है. यहाँ पे इसी जैसा एक इंसान बैठा था 69. अच्छा जी चलो 26. इफ यू रिवर्स द ऑर्डर ऑफ 26, 62. इफ यू एड, पहले हमने डिफरेंस देखा था, नाउ वी विल टेक एडिशन. यू टेक 2-digit नंबर, रिवर्स द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिजिट एंड यू एड. व्हाट यू गेट? 88. ठीक है, चलो इसको रिवर्स करेंगे, क्या आएगा? 9 and 6. इफ यू एड व्हाट यू गेट? 5 प्लस क्या आ रही है? 165. टेक 21. You reverse the digit of 21, what you get? 12. You add, what you get? 33. Take any other number, 49. You reverse 94. You get 143. You take 18. If you reverse the order of 18, what you get? 81. You add, what you get? 99. हाँ जी, what you have observed? दिमाग तो वहां जा रहा था. मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या कहती है? व्हेन वी टेक द डिफरेंस इट इज 9 और मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, बट व्हेन वी ऐड इट इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 11. तो यू राइट दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन. इफ वी टेक एनी 2-digit नंबर and reverse the order of the digit, and add in the original number, and add in the original number, then total is, जो total बनेगा, then total is always multiple of 11. यहां 0 नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ऐड कर रहे हो. then the total is always multiple of 11. जो टोटल होगा हमेशा 11 का मल्टीपल मिलेगा, हमेशा. चेक एनी नंबर. You check any 2-digit number, reverse the order and add in original number. Your total is always multiple of 11. Difference is multiple of 9. Total sum is multiple of 11. Let us observe 3-digit number. Then I give you a table. 3-digit number. I can't give you entire 3-digit number. Then I explain it. I take few example. I explain. Okay. Like, I take a 2-digit number 201. And if you have to reverse the same thing, we have to take 3-digit number. We have to reverse the order of the digit. If you reverse 201, what we get? 102. And take the difference. Here difference is 99. Any other number? Like 401. If you reverse the digit, you get 104. Here difference is 297. 601. You reverse 106. If you reverse, your difference is coming 495. 715. And you reverse it. and you subtract, it is 198. Any one of you able to observe anything about this difference? Multiple of 99, ये हमेशा मल्टीपल ऑफ 99 आएगा. चेक एनी नंबर. सर 3 डिजिट नंबर. If you reverse it, अब मैं कुछ बोलूंगा. कोई पेरेंट्स के साथ क्लास देख रहा होगा. ठीक है. जीरो ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? डिफरेंस जीरो और मल्टीपल ऑफ 99 आता है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे जीरो आ गया बिकॉज 6 and 6 सेम हो गया था, इस वजह से. सर यू टेल एनी अदर 3 डिजिट नंबर. 256. When you reverse this, we get 652. You can check your difference is coming 396. And I can tell you how you can calculate fast. जैसे मैं calculate कर रहा हूँ ना immediately, you can also calculate this. But first point is, if you observe the difference, it is coming either 0, 99 or multiple of 99. ठीक है. पहले ये observation लिख देते हैं. If we take any 3 digit number, प्रमोद 143 में घुसा हुआ है. वेट, एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं, ऑनलाइन वालों के लिए भी ले लेते हैं. 143. If you reverse 143, what you get? 341. If you check difference coming 198. 198. I tried today only. I tell you how to calculate fast. Otherwise, in theme-based lecture I take, but आज ही देख लेता हूँ, मैं बता दूंगा. ठीक है. If we take any 3-digit number and reverse the order of the digit, and subtract it from the original number, then the difference is always multiple, always 0 or multiple of 99. Always 0 or multiple of 99. या तो 0 होगा या multiple of 99 होगा. Is always 0 or multiple of 99. Okay. There are questions. I give you a table. Difference, addition, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Table है किसके लिए? We take 2-digit number, reverse the order, subtract. We take the difference. What we have observed for 2-digit number? Difference is coming 0 or multiple of 9. Always या तो 0 होगा या multiple of 9 होगा. In case of addition, I told you it is always multiple of 11. ये हमेशा 11 का multiple. You take any 2-digit number, you reverse the order of the digit and add in original number. It is always multiple of 11. It is always multiple of 11. Now here 3-digit. What we have observed, when we take any 3-digit number, reverse the order and subtract from the original number, what it is coming? 0 or multiple of 99. यहाँ पे 99 बन जाएगा. Here is 9, here is 99. Now tell me what we can observe here. It will be multiple of. मैंने भी ऐसे लगा था. I also thought the same. Sometimes what we have, we get one or two results. We think it is applicable for each and everything. Here we don't have any result. Don't think here it is a multiple of 111. No, it is not. I have checked. 5-6 example. No, it is not applicable. Now here 4-digit number difference. No, don't think. अंदर से आवाज आ रही है ना कि ये 0 और 999 हो सकता है, उस आवाज को दबा दो. No. We have result for 2 digit, we have observation for 3 digit, for 4 digit we don't have such observation. There is no such observation here. Research is going on for this. There is no observation. We have observation for this difference of 2 digit, addition of 2 digit, and difference of 3 digit. That's it. Here we don't have any such observation. There is no fixed rule of 111 we have. Don't think so. We don't have it. Okay. Now let us try 2 questions which I have written on the board. Then I take 1 question for 3-digit number out of the previous year questions only. या उससे पहले, let's see. The ratio of 2-digit natural number to a number formed by reversing a digit is 4:7. The number of such pair. What you have to do? 11. If you reverse 11. 12. When you reverse 12, what you get? 21. What is the ratio? 4:7. 12 को अगर रिवर्स करोगे, you get 21. You check with 10. But when you reverse 10, you get a single digit number 1. Will not help. Check with 11. When you reverse 11, you get 11 only. Will not help. Because ratio has to be 4:7. When you take 12, when you reverse 12, what you get? 21. Divide by 3. Your ratio is coming 4:7. So it means one pair is 12:21. Then if you take multiple of this, we get the same ratio. आप दो से मल्टीप्लाई करते जाओगे, रेशियो तो सेम रहेगा. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 24 and 42. Next number is 36 and 63. Take multiple of 12. Take 3 multiple of 12. Then 48 and 84. Then 60 not possible. क्योंकि 60 का रिवर्स हो जाएगा 6. So here can we say one pair is 12 and 21. Second pair is 24 and 42. Third pair is 36 and 63. Next pair is 48 and 84. So your answer is there are 4 such pair are possible which satisfy your question. I repeat, start with 11. 11 will not have. Then 12. 12 is to 21. Yes, that gives the same ratio 4:7. If you are looking for next number, you take multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 is 24 because reverse number will be 42. You can check 24 and 42 divide by 6, 4:7. Your condition satisfied. Next number will be 36 and 63. Next number is 48 and 84. Stop. क्योंकि next number 60 not possible. क्योंकि 60 का reverse 6 which is a single digit number. So there are 4 such pair which help your question. Next question. You have to use both concept what we have learned today. Number of zero वाला concept जहां 5 और 2 मिलके give you 0. और yesterday I told you in a multiplication when we have at least one 5, multiply with even number give you 0 in the last. You have to use that concept also in this question. Let P be a 2-digit number, Q be the number consisting of same digit written in the reverse order. If P into Q is 2430, so P into Q is equal to 2430. Then what is the difference between P and Q? Means we have to find what is P, what is Q. And what is the relation in P and Q? P and Q are reverse order. P को reverse करोगे तो you get Q. Clear? Now, how to handle this question? First observation here is it is 0. How this 0 is possible? Either one of the number is multiple of 10 or 5 multiply with even number. 0 कब आता है? 10 का multiple, 20 का multiple give you 0, or 5 multiply with even number. 5 combined with 2 give you a 0. So it means this P can be 10, but when you reverse it, you get a single digit number. Okay? Or it is not possible. 10, 20, maximum 90 हो सकता है. When you reverse 90, you get 9. So it means 810. It is wrong because it has to be 2430. So it means the observation here is out of P and Q, one number is multiple of 5. यहाँ पे अगर ये 0 है, there are only two possibility. One possibility is here it is a multiple of 10, or if P is a multiple of 5, Q is a multiple of 2. क्योंकि 5 multiply with 2 give you 0. 0 दो ही तरीके से आता है. 10 multiply with any value or 5 multiply with no other possibility. Last में अगर 0 है, what is the reason behind that? Either there is a multiple of 10 in your multiplication, or there is a multiple of 5 and multiple of 2. No other reason. 10 का reason ही है, either it is a multiple of 10 or there is a multiple of 5 and multiple of 2. Multiple of 10 not possible. We have checked. Maximum 90 possible है. 90 को reverse करोगे 9. What is 90 into 9? 810. But our total has to be 2430. We have done heat and trial. I check 90. मैंने maximum number 90 check करके देखा है. 90 multiply with 9 give you 810, but here value is given 2430. So it means 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 not possible. It means the second possibility will work, that P is a multiple of 5, Q is a multiple of 2. So what are the possible value of P, which is a 2-digit number? क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and so on. But when you reverse 15, you get 51. To have a 0, P has to be multiple of 5, Q has to be even number. So this is not possible. 25 and 52, yes, we can consider, but इसका total 1000 के आसपास आएगा. 35 into 53 not possible. 45 into 54. Check. What is 45 into 54? 2430. So it means in this question P here is 45, Q here is 54. What is the difference in P and Q? 9. I don't know कितनों को समझ में आया. This 0, and that's why like I have taken today number of 0 topic. Yesterday I told you one note, एक note भी लिखवाया था. If in a multiplication there is at least one multiple of 5 and at least one even number is there in last, there will be 0. So what is the reason of this 0? Either this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. या तो ये 10 का मल्टीपल है, या ये 5 का मल्टीपल और ये 2 का मल्टीपल है. अदरवाइज दिस 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. 90 तक मैंने चेक किया, नॉट पॉसिबल. तो इट हैज टू बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. अगर ये भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि इवन नंबर होगा, ये चेक कर लो. व्हाट इज 15 into 51? 750 समथिंग, 700 समथिंग, या जैसे भी. 25 into 52, 1000 समथिंग. This is 1600 something. Only this value is possible because it matched with 2430. So here one number is 45, other number is 54. So their difference is 9. कैसे करोगे आंसर से? क्योंकि आंसर ये नहीं बोल रहा कि व्हाट इज पी, आंसर बोल रहा है व्हाट इज डिफरेंस ऑफ पी एंड क्यू. 15 मिनट लग जाएंगे आंसर से, तो भी नहीं होने का. ओके, आई टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. There are certain, this is UPSC previous year question, 2-digit numbers. The difference between the number and one obtained on reversing it is always 27. There are certain 2-digit number, the difference between the number and one obtained on reversing it is always 27. How many such maximum 2-digit numbers are there? So reverse करने से difference 27 आना चाहिए. Answer option given, answer option A 3, answer option 4, answer option C 5, answer option D none of this. 3, 4, 5, none of this. मेरे को एक बुकलेट दे देना, बुकलेट जो आज दी थी. 27 डिफरेंस कैसे आएगा? 11, 21, 31, 41. I think similar question I have discussed also. दया को भेजना है. क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 6. तो what you have to mark? None of this. See here 11, 21, 31, 41. ऑनलाइन वाले स्टूडेंट के लिए if you reverse difference is 0, if you reverse difference 9, if you reverse difference 18, if you reverse difference 27. So first number is 41, which will help you. After that you have to go diagonally. I told you have to add 11, 11, next number 52, next number 63, next number 74, next number 85, next number 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your answer options given 3, 4, 5, none of this. Correct answer here is none of this. Clear? Today we have given you this booklet. Online student we have uploaded on the portal. It is for GS mains paper 2. Quickly in 5 minutes I will brief you how you can use this booklet. Here we have given syllabus. GS paper 2 we divide in 3 parts. We have polity, governance. 4 part बोल सकते हो, polity, governance, social justice and IR. Or you can say 3 part, polity, governance and social justice you can take together, then IR. Now here we have given an analysis of 2013 to 2024 for prelims. This is not marks wise, I will say question wise होगा ये, क्योंकि number of questions 101 है. You can see the trend. देखो IR miscellaneous scheme awareness attracts the national issues. In 2013 they used to ask less question. पहले एक अलग पैटर्न था. But after that you can find like it has gained weightage. They are asking more number of questions. On an average you will say 10 to 15 questions from this area they are asking in your prelims part. Ancient history you can check. Medieval या बीच में कुछ साल पता नहीं क्या हुआ था एग्जामिनर को, स्पेशली 2021-22 they have asked more number of questions from medieval, and there are the many institute they like here stop teaching medieval in this phase. After that they restart like this program type in GS they start teaching medieval history again, क्योंकि यहाँ यूपीएससी ने बोला आप कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं medieval history type. But in 2024 they have not. Art and culture, okay, here in 2014 12 question but average 5-6 question. Modern history, okay, geography and agriculture, polity, this year they have asked 18 question. Economics like more or less 15 to 20 question is the weightage. Environment and ecology, okay, 2 digit में है, but in 2019 they have asked 20 question, otherwise like this year 13, last year 19 question. Science and technology, like here 10 question in 2024, 2023 they asked less number of question, so it give a idea about subject wise. Now next is this is for mains 2013 to 2023. We have not included 2024 because we are waiting for the paper to be conducted in month of September. अभी 24 का पेपर होना है. Historical things, executive, union and state legislature, this is for paper 2. Separation of power, function and responsibility. Then this is appointment of various constitutional posts, welfare schemes and policies for sector and services. So we have given the marks distribution. ये marks wise है. When you are planning to cover your paper 2 of your GS, so you can have this booklet with you because it will help you to have a analysis previous year questions wise. After that topic wise, देखो fundamental right 19. When you will revise your fundamental 19, fundamental right 19, article 19, then you can write your answers also. तो इसमें प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में 3 क्वेश्चन पूछे, एक 2013 में, एक 2014 में एंड 2022, एंड यू कैन सी व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन दे हैव आस्क्ड ऑन आर्टिकल 19, देन आर्टिकल 21, देन राइट्स, देन डीपीएसपी in 2015 they have question, preamble में 2016 में. When you will planning to cover your preamble, just check previous year questions for prelims as well as mains. On preamble what they have asked: emergency, then France amendment, UK significance, evolution, British constitution law, president, cabinet, executive committee, anti-defection, parliamentary privilege, political parties, parliament. Okay, election reform, election, parliamentary committee. ये एक नया टॉपिक इंट्रोड्यूस किया था व्हेन दे हैव चेंज द सिलेबस, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट, तो वहां से कुछ क्वेश्चन है. डिबेट, राज्यसभा स्पीकर, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल, गवर्नर, प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर, स्टेट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी. ठीक है. देन दिस इज जुडिशरी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, रोल ऑफ जुडिशरी. ठीक है. Ordinance, judicial review, women in judiciary, judicial, water dispute, local level, state, federalism, financial body, finance commission, railway authority, NHRC, regulatory, constitutional post, quasi judicial, CAG, NC women, National Commission on Women, tribunals, attorney general, CBI, NCBC, election commission, NALSA. Then this is social justice. schemes, law, bodies, performance. Then poverty and hunger issues, scheme, reduction, program, policies. Interrelation report. Then this is social sector and social service, health, education, human resource, issues in development. हेल्थ से रिलेटेड कब कब क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, स्कीम से रिलेटेड, एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन, एचआर, पब्लिक हेल्थ, प्राइमरी हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन पॉलिसी. एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, प्राइमरी हेल्थ, लिटरेसी, एजुकेशन, एफडीआई, एलपीजी, जीएसटी पॉलिसी, वुमेन इन सेक्टर, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, लोकपाल, सिटीजन चार्टर, ट्रांसपेरेंसी. Effectiveness, accountability, citizen charter, e-governance, self-help group, pressure group, civil services, NGO, institution, stakeholder, NGO, civil society. Okay. Then this is IR, mainly the neighboring country and institutional organization. That is the main part. See, when we will you study anything, जैसे बिम्स्टेक अगर पढ़ रहे हो तो ये देख सकते हो बिम्स्टेक पे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे था. एससीओ, अगर एससीओ पढ़ रहे हो तो साथ के साथ एससीओ पे क्वेश्चन देख लो कि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन में एससीओ, नाटो पढ़ रहे हो, आईएमओ पढ़ रहे हो, यूनेस्को पढ़ रहे हो. ओके. After that, we have just mentioned in the detail some sources. Syllabus क्या है, what need to be done, sources. ठीक है, topic wise. After that, we have given some sample notes in the last. One is on first amendment 1951 in detail. Last के कुछ pages हमने कुछ sample note दिया on two topic. One on first amendment, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में जो अमेंडमेंट हुआ है, एंड सेकंड इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, जनरली स्टूडेंट को मटेरियल नहीं मिलता है, प्रेशर ग्रुप, फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल एसोसिएशन एंड देयर रोल इन द पॉलिटी. पेज नंबर 20. characteristics of pressure group, type of pressure group, okay, role of pressure group in polity and democracy, Indian pressure group versus Western pressure group, method of pressure group, case studies, we have given some example also, business pressure group, some example, women group, farmer groups, Dalit pressure group. Okay. So we have given n number of example. In your mains answer writing, we have to quote this example so that we get value addition. Fine. And one announcement, we have one GS mentor. We are having two products. One is CSAT, वो तो आपने enroll किया ही है. Similarly, like we have one more program that is also very good. GS mentorship program, we name it as DZMP Raniti. We are starting batch 4 of the DZMP on 1st of September. If you feel like you are not able to manage your study, timetable management का कुछ issues है, and if you feel there is a gap in your preparation, so you can meet our mentor, have a discussion. An announcement is like from batch 5 we are planning to increase the fees of this program. ठीक है? क्योंकि it is labor intensive work. So today we have done two topic, number of zero, 2 digit and 3 digit observation. Okay. Quickly, I tell you one thing, if you will understand today, okay, otherwise in my theme based lecture, I will repeat that. What I want to repeat, I told you in a 3 digit number, quickly within 5 minutes, I repeat, online students also. I told you for a 3 digit number, when we reverse the order of the digits, subtract from the original number, difference is 0 or multiple of 99. Then I told you, you can calculate fast. Whether it is one multiple of 99, difference 99 आएगा या 198 आएगा, or the difference is 297, or the difference is 396, or the difference is 495, or the difference is 594, you can find quickly without doing any calculation. Idea is when a 3-digit number is given and examiner asks you to reverse this 3-digit, subtract from the original number, and if we are looking for the difference, we can find immediately the difference without doing any calculation. Whether the difference is 0 or difference is 99, difference is 198, 297. Tell me, it is 1 multiple of 99. This is 2 multiple of 99. This is 3 multiple of 99. This is 4 multiple of 99. It is 5 multiple of 99, and so on. Now here, like for example, number is 431. No need to calculate. What happened? This 10th place will be at same position. 3 तो वहीं आएगा. Only this 100 and unit place get reverse. 1 will be here, 4 will be here. So what you can do, step number 1, you see the difference between 100 place and unit place. If their difference is 3, जो subtract करके आएगा वो 3 multiple of 99 होगा. If your 100 place and unit place have a difference of 3, so your difference will be 297. Check कर लो. 134, it is coming 297. I repeat, 705. Forget about 10 place. 10 place की कोई औकात नहीं है, क्योंकि 10 place is at the same position. Only the 100 place and unit place get reverse. So you check 100 place और unit place में difference क्या है. This 100 place and unit place having difference of 2, so your difference will be 2 multiple of 99. You check 705, when you reverse 507, it is coming 198, which is 2 multiple of 99. You can immediately tell which multiple of 99, whether it will be 1 multiple of 99, 2 multiple of 99, 3 multiple of 99, 4 multiple of 99, 5 multiple of 99. For that, you have to check difference between 100 place and unit place. Like for example, 701. Tell me what is the difference in 100 place and unit place? 6. So your difference will be 6 multiple of 99, which is 594 for sure. You reverses 107, you check. It is coming 594. So your 100 place and unit place will tell you what is your difference. If there is a difference of 1 in your 100 place and unit place, it will be 1 multiple of 99. If 100 place and unit place have a difference of 2, it will be 2 multiple of 99. If your 100 place and unit place have a gap of 3, it will be 3 multiple of 99. If your 100 place and unit place have a gap of 4, it will be 4 multiple of 99. If your 100 place and unit place gap of 5, it will be 5 multiple of 99. Let me ask you a question. If it is 504, when we reverse the digit and we take the difference, tell me what will be your difference. 1 multiple of 99, it will be 99. You can check. Just wait. 503. If we reverse the order of the digit and subtract from the original number, tell me your difference will be 2 multiple of 99, means 198. Why? Because 100 place and unit place have a gap of 2. If 100 place and unit place have a gap of 2, when we reverse it and subtract, it will be 2 multiple of 90. So your 100 place and unit place immediately tell you your difference will be 1 multiple of 99, 2 multiple of 99, 3 multiple of 99, 4 multiple of 99. Is this clear? Okay. Okay. You can try PYQ on this topic. Tomorrow I will take remainder theorem. Why I have not taken today? Because what happened when I take remainder theorem immediately after unit digit topic, you get confused. I have taken unit digit, I have taken surds and indices. Today I have taken number of 0, 2 digit and 3 digit observation. Tomorrow I will take remainder theorem and non-verbal reasoning topic. Okay. Thank you, student. Today we don't have any test. Any doubt, I'm here only. You can ask me if you have any doubt. Nikhil, I don't have idea about that quality of video. You have to call on reception, ask them that you want to talk to technical person. They only guide you. I don't have any idea about this HP 4K 1080. No idea.
सर आपने बताया 2 into 99 is 198.
हाँ
3 into 99 is
297.
तो सर अगर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो मतलब ये देखेंगे कि अगर 2 into 9 होता है 18 और बीच में 9,
हाँ ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है।
मतलब याद करने के लिए
हाँ
कि
कर
क्या
सकते हो,
मल्टीपल होता
कर सकते हो, कर सकते हो, काम करेगा ये।
ये कौन सा पूरा डाउट नहीं है
क्या था?
यहाँ पे
ये तो ठीक है,
ये मेरा, हाँ यहाँ से सही मैंने लिखा था, ये थोड़ा डाउट था
ये तो
stable का।
ठीक है। 1 2 की
मैंने
पावर
उससे
2,
लगाया था
ये
सही।
3 की पावर 6 होगा। 3 की पावर 6 लिखो आपने ये, ठीक है। पहले लिखो 3 की पावर 6, फिर 3 की पावर 6 में 9 आएगा, फिर हो जाएगा आपका। सही तो है, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है?
आंसर भी सही है।
हाँ,
और
सही
ये
है।
सब खुद से करा था, ये आंसर सही है। ये मैंने डिसेंडिंग और असेंडिंग आर्डर में किया था मैंने।
हाँ सही है, लेकिन ये 47 आ रहा था टोटल थी, बस 5
यहाँ पे
ये
मैंने
गलत है ना,
कहीं-
8 गलत
हाँ
है।
8 गलत है यहाँ पे।
8 की जगह 6 आएगा। ये 1 सही है, 4 सही है,
8
7
यहाँ
सही है,
पे
यहाँ
8
6
तो
आएगा,
था ना।
ये 6 आएगा। 4 की पावर 4 में 6 होता है, 4 6 4 6, ये 6 आएगा, ये 5
5 का
है,
हमेशा 5 रहता है, 6
6
का
में
6
6
रहता
रहता है,
है,
7 की
7
पावर
का
7
1 रहता है।
7 3
7
7 9 3 1 3 आएगा। ये गलत है आपका, काफी गलती है इसमें। दोबारा से
7 का
करो।
ये एक्सेप्शन होता है,
7 की
इसमें 1
पावर
आता
3
है।
होएगा,
3
7 की पावर 3 होएगा।
4 से डिवाइड करते तो 3 आता है।
Ah, yes, class over. There is no
Thank you,
test
sir.
today. Okay, God bless you. Tomorrow we will do remainder theorem and non-mover reasoning. Thank you, students. Okay, students, thank you very much.